Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your TikTok account private. This is simple and easy tutorial. So if you want to make your TikTok account private, then this video only for you. So follow me step by step, then you will learn how can you do it. So simply click on TikTok, then go to right left right bottom corner me, click here, and this is your TikTok interface, interface. So we need to go and click right top corner three dot. I think you are seeing three dots. So click on it. Then here you can find the option for making your TikTok private. So click simply privacy. Okay, click on privacy. Then you can see a couple of option here. So the first option for making your TikTok account private, simply make it turn off, then your account will be turned off. Initially it is turn off. So if you make your account private, then you have to make it turn off. So simply click turn off, then your account will be turned off. So guys, thank you.